Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SiteGround AI Sport Board. I just tap on Spotty browser and first you will have to purchase this package to create an account. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get referral code. Customer support, welcome to the future with SiteGround AI bot. So table of contents, the game changer, instant AI in your help desk, the evolution of AI in SiteGround sport journey, and backed up by fine tuning and a prompt engineering. Engage, explore, evaluate your experience, join to AI evolution. So here you will just type one thing to AI bot and imagine a world where AI doesn't just find the right answer but understands and deliver it as if directly responding to a question in conversation. That's our new reality. So AI bot is very good. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.